Today we're making one of summer's most iconic desserts, but without the campfire. These dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free s'mores bars have a buttery graham cracker crust, melted dairy-free chocolate, and perfectly toasted marshmallows on top. They're simple, they're incredibly gooey, and best of all, everyone can enjoy them. I'm starting by making a simple graham cracker crust. Add your graham crackers and brown sugar to a food processor and pulse them into fine crumbs. Pour in the melted vegan butter and pulse everything together until the crumbs are evenly coated and resemble wet sand. Pour the mixture into a parchment-lined 8-inch baking pan and press it down firmly. Taking a little extra time here helps create a sturdy base for the bars that will slice beautifully later. Bake the crust for about 8 to 10 minutes, just until it's lightly golden. While the crust is baking, it's time for the chocolate layer. I'm combining dairy-free chocolate chips with a little bit of dairy-free milk. Microwave in short bursts, stirring between each one until everything is silky smooth. Once the crust comes out of the oven, spread the melted chocolate over the warm base. The heat from the crust will help everything settle into a perfectly smooth layer. Once the chocolate has been smoothed into an even layer, we're going to cover them with some dairy-free mini marshmallows. Don't be shy here, you want that classic s'more look, so cover every inch with marshmallows. Gently press them into the chocolate so they'll stay in place while baking. These will go back into the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes until the tops are lightly toasted and beautifully golden. Let the bars cool completely before slicing. It's tempting to dive right in while everything is warm and gooey, but giving them time to set makes cutting so much easier. If you want really clean slices, pop the pan into the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes first. Then simply lift the whole slab out using the parchment paper and cut them into bars. I make these recipes because my daughter deserves to grow up enjoying the same foods and traditions as every other kid. Food allergies shouldn't be the reason she has to sit out something. If your family is navigating dairy, egg, or nut allergies too, I hope these recipes help you make those same memories together. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll see you in the next recipe.